If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back to another Vechain update. Has been a while, but I'm back now. Don't you worry. Had a great festive period. Hopefully you did too. Happy New Year to you all. And nothing to worry about really. We're going to cover all of this in today's update. Hopefully bring some calm. Well, I'll just make you aware of what is actually truly going on at the moment. And yeah, make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really does help grow the channel, and we're trying to hit 8K as quick as possible. Now, if we're looking at this chart on the daily time frame, we have seen a dump over the past couple of days or so. Back on Wednesday, we dumped all the way down to this 55 moving average. Now, yes, I haven't made a video in a while, but these levels were already previously drawn, and it was because this line over here at 2891 cents is a key level. You've already seen it in the title today, a retest of a huge bullish weekly pattern. So what is going on right now? It shouldn't surprise us, but also there's nothing really to worry about as long as this level is of course confirmed as support. We will analyze it all today, but you can see over here we were holding above this 3.3 to 3.5 cent key level of support. It was also the 20 daily and also the 0.5 Fibonacci, and what you need to see as you're approaching this area is resistance. So we did actually push through it, and it looked like it was flipping into support. As long as it held above the 20, we would have just got that continuation to the large target you've already seen in the thumbnail. I think it was 200% move or something like that. And we are still looking for that target to be met, which is a 200% move around that to about 9 cents. We are sitting at 3 cents today, so yeah, we're expecting around 9 cents to be the next technical target, longer term one, of course. Not the bull market target, guys. Please understand that. It's just what happens when we reclaim a golden pocket. We're meant to go to the 1 fib level at least, because the reversal wave is being created, and realistically it's actually suggesting us to take out this high, to go even higher than that. So if we know that by getting above this we will eventually get higher than that, then it's nice to just have a target there in the first place. It's also the 1 fib level. That is where we are retracing to since bottoming out back in June, July time. We're now just simply retracing all the way back up to this high over here. It's exactly the same as what I was saying when we were back down here in October time, where I called for this move from 1.6 cents all the way up until 3.2 cents. We're pretty much there right now in and around that area. It took a lot of months to come to fruition, but it did. And equally, when you push through this golden pocket, you can see that this is a key level of resistance that we've been trapped under since pretty much May 2022. So not just a few months back. May 2022 was the last time we were exactly at that price point, but that was acting as our range high for this, for this over year period over here. So by breaking out of that, it's extremely bullish. We've already done so, but we're coming back down for key levels of support. When we're looking at the moving averages, we want the daily 20 to hold, and as you can see, as long as we're above the purple, we're continuing higher. There are moments where we dip down below to the orange one. Don't worry that it's zoomed out. You don't need to see every single candlestick. I'm just showing you the moves from start to finish. So start of the move down was there, end of the move down was there. We lost the 20 in the process. We came to the 55. It acted as like a second layer of defense, and it brought us back above the 20. So as we zoom in right now, we have lost the 20. We have already retested the 55. It gave us a strong bounce, but unfortunately failing to reclaim the 20. So we're ranging between these 2 points, which is quite funny because they were already marked out. We didn't need the moving averages to tell us this. It was already in the last video updates. These key levels again, 2891 and 3384 to 3493. That was one support. Lose that, you're coming down to this, and the moving averages also help you with that, because again, if you lose the 20, you come down to the 55 as shown previously over here. As long as the 55 holds and brings us back above the 20, confirms it as support, then we're looking for new highs. And that's why we are anticipating a huge move to the upside, because yes, we lost this support, and yes, that is scary for some of you, but this is actually exactly what we need to see, because we broke out of a very significant level. Going to the 5-day time frame right now, this was a double bottom that we spoke about over the last few months. And the neckline was sitting at 2891. So that's why it was already marked out on the channel for some time. And we had this other layer of defense over here. So we broke out. It should have been support. It was also the 0.5 Fibonacci. But then go ahead and lose it. You come back down to the next level below. As we had just broken out of this huge bullish pattern that's meant to send us higher. Then, of course, we're just coming back down for a retest of a bullish breakout as long as this holds support and we can continue to hold this bullish crossover here on the 5-day time frame, we should expect continuation to this next target, which is a move from today's current price of around 196. That's why I called it 200%. So if I were to get the actual technical target out of this move, where we've already measured from the bottom to the range high, and that's taking us to the 1 fib level, but if I were to go from here to the neckline of the pattern, which is beneath the range high, that's where we're essentially trapped between the neckline as support, the range high as resistance. And then we can see this will take us above the 786. And if we're taking out the 786 fib, it means you're going to the 1 fib level. So we already have that confluence essentially. And when you break the golden pocket, you're going to the 1 fib level. So we have multiple confirmations of this. We've also got the 5-day bullish cross. If you saw this on the weekly time frame, it's telling you it's in a bull market. The 5-day is like a precursor signal. It appears earlier as there's a less build up of days. It's 5 instead of 7. The signals are going to appear earlier on the 5-day period compared to the weekly, but you do need the paid version of TradingView. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share, and hopefully we can hit 8K as quick as we can. There's so much free valuable content in these video updates, so hopefully you are learning. If you want to get to that next step a little bit quicker, I do have multiple things in place, whether it's the mentorship, the ebook, the course, or my Discord community where we mentor all the group in there twice a week. So yeah, just use the links down below if you're interested in that. Again, if we scale back to the daily time frame, again, this is the 5-day, we can see that we're pretty much just coming down back to this neckline. As long as this holds at 2891, we're looking for the break of the range high and then continuation to the target itself as the double bottom breakout, which we have already validated, and just simply coming back for a retest is targeting above the 786. And if we're measuring from our low right over here to our range high, we have broken it. Unfortunately, we are back underneath it. So for now, we're not anticipating this, but remember guys, as soon as we break back above this neckline over here of this range high, that becomes valid. But don't forget, we already have validated, as we are above the neckline of this double bottom, a move to the 786 or above it. So we are anticipating this. I know that could have sounded confusing because I'm saying we are going to here, but as we are not above this, we're not going to there. But just don't worry guys, as long as we're holding this and reclaiming that, then we're just getting that continuation to the 1 fib level. 9 cents. If it is confusing, maybe message me for education on Twitter, Louis_crypto. There are fake accounts, so use the links in the description or pinned comment section of each update, and I hope to see more of you join the community. Let's now make these gains over the coming year, and good luck everyone. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.